no crack. I dropped it like this, no crack. I dropped it like this in the middle of the street, no crack. Before we get into this video, guys, make sure you guys follow all my social medias up here on the screen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because at 10K subscribers, I am doing a cash giveaway on my Instagram. So make sure you follow my social medias, subscribe to your girl channel, comment below that you are a new subscriber and that you sharing and all that other stuff, and get your girl to 10K so we can do this giveaway. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Me, mama. Okay. What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back on the camera with another video. Y'all, I look so tired right now. I don't know why, because I got my 8 hours last night. Like, I literally normally get 3 or 4 or 5, but I got my 8 hours last night. I don't know why I look tired. Maybe it's just this camera. I'm on another phone right now because I'm finna stop, because I'm finna get y'all an update on this case, on this lovely case. So a couple months ago, I bought a new phone. So then I was like, okay, this phone wasn't cheap, so I'm gonna invest in a quality case. So I got a quality case. Sit down. So I got the phone, and then I got this CASETIFY case, and it has done me justice. So the first thing I'm gonna tell y'all, I've dropped this phone at least 10 times. That's the least, okay? No cracks, no scratches, nothing. I did put a screen protector on it that I got from Amazon, but besides that, I have no cracks or scratches on this phone at all. Look. So the first time I dropped this phone, the first big drop was in the middle of the street. So I was running across a busy street, and when I mean a busy street, it had 3 lanes on each side, so 6 lanes I had to cross in total, and it was just a street. It wasn't a highway or anything. Don't think I'll be running across highways. And I dropped it in the middle of the street. Cars were coming. When my heart dropped, it dropped like this. It said, boom. And I said, oh, my phone. Y'all, I screamed, my phone. And turned around in the middle of the street and went and got my phone. Like, it was a lady in that lane. She was so nice. She must have saw it drop, because she literally stopped right in front of my phone. She stopped right in front of my phone. I turned around, ran and got it, and ran across traffic. Like, I kid you not. I picked my phone up and just put it straight back in my pocket. And when I got across the street, I was like, Lord, don't be cracked. Lord, don't be cracked. So then I picked it up and it wasn't cracked. So I was like, oh my gosh. I immediately was like, oh my gosh, this case is amazing. And after that, I've been dropping it like at least once a week in crazy spots. I was on the slide with her at the park, and I dropped it from the top of the slide, and that was at least, if I didn't have a case on it, that phone would have shattered. And I mean, it did not crack, scratch, nothing. I'm probably going to order more cases. My mom actually got a new phone and also ordered a similar case to mine, and hers is cute. It's cute, but yeah, this phone has no cracks, no scratches, nothing. Like, I am just so. If you was thinking about getting one of these cases, I say get one. Go ahead. Stop. Go ahead and get it. It's a great case. It did say scratch proof, but I do have scratches on this case. They're light to where you can't really see them, but I can see them. The scratches are light. They're not really big scratches to where you can just notice them from anywhere. The scratches are like, my camera has yet to be, it's not cracked or nothing. It's a very good case. This is not the cheapest case that I own. I own some little dollar cases, but this is the best quality case. You can't squeeze this case. Like, it looks like I'm not squeezing this, but I'm squeezing this. Like, you can't squeeze it at all. Like, oh, that hurt me more than I was trying to. But it's a, dang, it's a good quality case. Like, I'm actually going to get some more, probably with other things on them. It came just how the website shows. Everything is going great so far. I think I've had this case 2 months or a month and a half. I don't know how really long I had this case, but it's a dope case. And if you won't get it, I say get it. I say get it. The case is amazing. I've heard bad things about their mirror cases, but besides, I don't have a mirror case. So this case, this clear case, I got the 9-foot drop ultra impact case, and it's really ultra impact. This has, when I say I dropped my phone so much and I can't afford to break this phone how I've done my other phones, because it's glass on the front and the back. So I was like, okay, we gonna take care of this one. So I got a good case, and it is actually a great case. I know I keep saying that, but it's actually a great case, and I love it. So if you was looking to get a CASETIFY case, go ahead and get you a case. Just go ahead and get you a case. Yeah, they like $50, but they're worth it, because your phone not gonna crack. And if it do, I feel like you dropped it higher than 9 feet, because I've dropped mine at least 4 feet and it didn't crack. At least, I don't know, that slide was pretty tall, so I dropped it a decent height and it didn't crack. I dropped it straight on concrete, flat like this, it didn't crack. I dropped it on his back, it didn't crack. I've dropped it like this, it didn't crack. I've dropped it so many ways and it did not crack. So this is an amazing case. I've dropped it like this, no crack. 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 Let me put the phone back in here, so you can just visualize me dropping my baby, my second baby right here. So I've dropped it like this, no crack. I've dropped it like this, no crack. I've dropped it like this in the middle of the street, no crack. I've dropped it like this, no crack. Off the slide, I believe I dropped it. It fell like this. I've dropped it so many ways with no crack. These are amazing. Everybody should get them a CASETIFY, at least one CASETIFY case where you know you want to be doing a lot of things. Like if you finna go hiking, if you finna go, I don't know, just and they actually sell other stuff. I didn't know that, but they actually sell a lot of things besides cases on CASETIFY. But yeah, and yeah, and my phone has actually been great to me. So for all y'all who asking, do I like my phone, or do I want the 13? I think updating every year is pointless, but I'll probably get the 13 next year. Like update every 2 to 3 years, but every year is a little pointless to me, because nothing really changes, because we get the updates. Understand? If I had a 5, or if I still had my 6, I would probably upgrade, because we're no longer getting updates on our phone. There's no much change, no really major changes, if that makes sense. But thank you guys for watching. This video probably short, I apologize, but I ain't really did much today. No, not much. Probably gonna make some hot chocolate, eat some Burger King, and chillax. You want some what? Chocolate. So yeah. Gang gang. Thank you guys for watching, and like I said, at 10,000 subscribers, we're doing a cash giveaway on my Instagram, or in Amazon gift cards, or in Visa gift cards. I'm not really sure, but go ahead, follow all my social medias, because that's probably where I'll announce it first. And subscribe to my channel. Comment on every video that you watch. Every video, give it a big thumbs up and share. Right.
Yes.
So, bye guys. Peace.
Bye guys. Me.
Why you messing with me?
Want to do video?
I am gonna do a video.
I want to do video too.
You wanna do a video too?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause I like you.
You wanna do a video like me?
Yeah. Blah, 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 blah.
Gang gang.
Ding.
Let's get into this video.
Video. Me.